Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to enable Vanish mode on Instagram. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your Google Play Store, and from here just make sure you have the latest version of Instagram. And as you can see, we have an update, so make sure to update your Instagram application to do this. So now open up your Instagram app, guys, and from here just simply go to your messages at the top right corner of the screen, and from here just simply select the person that you want to enable the vanish mode on. So I'm gonna go for this first one. And from here, guys, in order for you to enable the vanish mode on Instagram, just simply scroll to the top. And as you can see, you will have here swipe up to turn on vanish mode. So just simply swipe up. And from here, as you can see, you will have here release to turn on vanish mode. And as you can see, we are going to be able to be on vanish mode. And from there, you'll be able to enable the vanish mode. And if you want to turn it off, just simply swipe up again to turn it off. That's simply about it. Just simply swipe up into the conversation and you'll be able to turn on vanish mode. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.